Hi again! Welcome to my mini vlog. So again, ako yung work from home dad ng Leyte. So welcome to my um, very nice kwarto kasi may aircon nga. So this summer, nag-stop muna ako ng tawag nito paggawa ng mga mini videos kasi yung phone ko is nasira. So right now I'm using a different phone and I was able to purchase ng mas magandang cellphone. So yan, so currently I'm working again as a VA. So magsi 6 months na ako sa company na to. And yun lang, again, tip lang sa mga gustong mag-VA. There are times na mawawalan kayo ng client unless otherwise meron kayo 2 to 3 clients. But for me, I just have 1 client right now and doing a side hustle ng ukay-ukay, minsan naman car rental. So thank you for watching.